It's a do or die championship, NCR 2026. NCR meet. And here's Team Manila. It's Pateros between Taguig. It's Manila versus Pateros Taguig. Or Taguig. Number 14, the passes to number 9. Dribbling at the top. Accelerate and lays. Bucket. First blood. Crosses the mid lane. He stops and pass on side. Number 14, sinausaw the hook shot. Bucket for number 14, the big man of Manila. And here's number 4, the side step. Kicks it out. Fake. Step back. 5 on 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Taguig now. Looking for the chance para makascore sa 3. Bang! Bumawi! 3! Nag-isa! Isinausaw mga pre! Dinakdak! And his team, Taguig now. Spins, natapikan. Ball stolen, and the pass break. Here's number 8. Straight to the hoop place. Yes, sir! Here's Team Taguig. Number 9 with the leather. He attacks, goes inside and lays. Yes, sir! And with the rebound, may bumagsak dun sa baba. Number 4. Woo! Binit mga idol. Pass. And pass to the middle. Number 14. Number 10 now. Fakes. 1 bounce. Fires. No, short. Fight for the rebound. Number 7. Rebounds the ball. Reverse layup. Too strong. And tips in. Gets the ball. Here's number 2 for Team Manila. Looking for the receiver. Number 9. Kumising niya dito. And corner pass inside. Another one. Another 2 for number 14. Sharing the play. Number 7. Pass to number 10. Talejo. Attacks against number 2. Post up. Kicks it out. Decided to take it easy. Spin move. The race too strong. Rebound for Team Manila. Number 2. Long pass. Number 4. Lazy team. Yes, sir. And number now, Padua against number 22. Asking for the pick. Passes to number 7. Another pass for number 15. Deep 3. Bang! Rebound! I'm bounding the ball. Pass to number 2. Aguas. Here's number 5 with the ball. And a bounce pass number 23. Goes to the screen, goes to the middle, goes inside, rejected. Number 7 with the steal. And the pass, number 15, another 3. No. Battle for the rebound. And number 2 for Team Manila, straight to the hoops. Yes, sir. Bucket for 2. And number 15, cross pass. Pass to number 3 for Team Taguig. Number 13. Number 9, fakes. Cross pass, number 3. Drives. Water, no. Rebound and follow-up shot for Team Taguig. 17 for Team Taguig. And now, number 9 with the ball. Cross pass, number 15. Pull-up jumper. Bucket for 2. Here you go, Team Taguig basketball. Number 23 in territory to number 3. Drives, bump. Rejected, another one and another steal. And that's good defense for number 2. And number 2 now with the leather. The pass to number 28 goes to the middle. The lays, yes, and bucket for 2. Team Taguig basketball. The high pass to the middle. Number 13 stop, picks, kicks it out. Open look, fires, bang! Another three for number 15. And his Team Manila, Aguas, number 2. He stops, launches on 3. No. Rebound number 1. Grabe naman, taas tumalon noon. And his Team Taguig, there's a chance. And fires on 3. Bang! Another 3. And ball possession for Team Taguig, number 3. Against number 28. Guarded by 2. Pass to the middle, number 13. Fakes. Cross pass, number 4, open look, fires, in and out, the rebound, and fires my pectus pa. Straight to the hoop. Two-hand jump. And completing the 3-point play, and he gets complete 3-point play. 6-point lead for Team Manila. Here comes Team Pateros. Pateros on the ladder, the side step, the kicks out, post up. Number 13 versus number 27 gets the bucket. Sorry, it's up by 6. And his team Pateros, Taguig, bump, the best fly-up, no. And number 4 Team Manila is top, 1-foot floater, gets the front. For Team Taguig, behind the back dribble, the pass, asking for a pick. Number 7 goes to the pick, is top, openly on 3, bang! Deep 3 is good. Dribble, now and Harry is and kicks out number 22, open 3. No, rebound, no follow-up shot by number 27. And here's number 2 for Team Manila. Number 22 on 3, bang! 3 points. And here's number 4 for Team Manila. Straight to the hoop, the lace of the window, Manny. Number 9 for Team Taguig. Number 7. And another pass, number 5. Bump, floater. No, short, rebound. Kicks it out. Number 4 for 3. No. Hook pass. Nauna na dito. Number 4, lace all alone. Gets the 2. And number 4, zigzag the bump. Fires. No. And another long pass. Baseball pass. Number 22, lumipad, lace. And a bucket for 2. And here's ball possession for Team Taguig. 46-32. Lumulobo ng Kalamangan. Mga idolo, number 9. Fake Pinoy step. Walang nasagi. Big man the rebound. And the steal. Stolen for Team Taguig. Number 1 bypass. Floater. No. Rebound. Napakalaging mama. And the pass. Number 4. Side step. Delays. Oh, reverse layup is good. Decided to take it easy. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Na ball possession for Team Manila. For Team Taguig. The pass. The top shot. Too strong. Rebound. Post up of the window. First throw. No good. Second throw. Gets the bucket. 10-point lead. La basketball. Deep 3. Short. Rebound by number 5 for Team Taguig. Zigzagging. Drive. Kicks out. Number 4. Step back for 3. Bang! 3 points. 51-44 score. And 7-point lead now for Team Manila. Kicks out. Number 22 to the middle. Number 9. Corner. Open look on fire. No. Rebound by number 9 for Team Taguig. And the long pass. The crossover. The kicks out. Number 4. Another 3. Too short. Rebound number 9. The long pass all along to the hoops. And easy bucket for number 4. And it's Team Taguig. The long pass. And looking for the receiver. The kicks out. Number 5. Taking it easy. Asking for the pick. Goes to the pick. The bump. The crossover. The pass inside. Nalibreng. Gandang pasa. And here comes Team Manila. Number 77. Number 4. Corner. Fires another 3. Bang! This time get the 3. And it's number 9. Number 4. 3. Sasagot. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Now in hurry. 4 versus 3. The side step. The left-handed lace. No. Rebound. Put back shot. Basket and 1. Now at the free throw area for Team Manila. Number 77. Rebound by the big man. Lusin na usaw. And that's a easy rebound na for Team Manila. Natapikan, poke the ball. Recover by number 20. The bump, the fire off the window. That's good for 2. Here you go, Team Taguig. Makakabawi kaya ang Team Taguig. The spin, the crossover move, the kicks out. Number 7 fires at 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. And post up, number 77, number 22 to the middle, inside pass to a big man. Ball is stolen, poke away. And now, ball possession for Team Taguig, number 15 to number 9. Another pass, number 7, bounce pass, number 3 now. Asking for the pick, let me do it. Sabi, step back, launches on 3, bang! Another 3 for kick. The long pass, inside open, easy bucket for Team Taguig. And down to 8-point lead for Team Manila. Spins, 360, floater, no. Rebound, another for number 13. And the pass, number 7, launches on 3. Bang! Gets the friendly roll. And ball possession for Team Manila, number 18 now. To number 2. Fires on 3. No. Battle for the rebound. That tips in, no. Recover, number 5, rebound. Put back. Oh, sinausaw. Number 18, the receiver. Pass inside, number 14, the big man. Aatake, hook shot. Wala, tips it in. Yes, gets the bucket. And here you go. Team Taguig picks. Fires, bucket is good. Inside pass, here's Braga. Braga, oh, ang laki mong mama, Braga. The big man of Manila. And the pass on the middle, De La Torre. Pass it to, and a fire for 3, no. Rebound, another by Braga. Braga, the big man of Manila, is number 9. Attacks, lift the ball, delays. Oh, what a move. And it's number 5 for Team Taguig. De La Torre goes to the screen. Number 5, pass to De La Torre. Pull up jumper, De La Torre, no. Rebound, another one for the big man, Braga. And it's number 7. Cross pass, number 4, Pascual, kicks out. For 3, bang! Another 3! For Team Taguig. Now looking for the receiver, tinira sa gitna. What a wise move, ha? Smart play for Team Taguig. And it's number 7 to the middle. Picks, pump, fire, bucket for 2. Number 10, fires, no, short, picks, spins, fires, bucket for 2. And it's Team Manila. 88-72 score. Last 2 minutes on the final quarter. Fires. Bucket is good. Bullseye. And it's number 10 for Team Taguig. To the middle. Number 8. Number 10 for 3. Bang! The answer! And 90-75, 15-point lead for Team Manila. 1 minute 30 seconds on the game clock. Corner 3. Bang! Another 3. Congratulations, Team Manila!